Hello guys, welcome to Cooking with Mimi, okay? So today we are going to make my favorite Haitian dessert. It's called Pain Patate. It's like a sweet potato pudding, I guess you can say. And these are all the ingredients I'm going to use. So the star, okay, the superstar of this Pain Patate, okay, is going to be the sweet potato, the patate. This, if you go to the supermarket, like you'll find it under Korean sweet potato. This is also called batata in Spanish and patate in Creole. Okay, it's so good, so yummy. It has the purple skin, but it's white on the inside. And then I have my rums here, and the reason why I'm showing you my rums is because I have two different rums and I use both of them. I use a 1/4 cup of each rum, the Haitian rum Bomonco. Okay, shout out to my Haitians. Oh, say no, I'm kidding. Shout out to my Haitians. So what I did, I took a 1/4 cup of each, so this is 1/2 cup of Haitian rum. You could use just one if you want. And I have it soaking in 1/2 cup of raisins. And it smells so good. It smells so good. So this is, this Haitian rum is flavored with fruits and spices, and this is just, you know, the plain Haitian rum. 5-star baby, you know, that's how we like it, okay? And then I have 1 stick of butter, so 1/2 cup of butter. I'm going to use some vanilla. I have some maraschino cherries, coconut milk. Take a look at this, guys. This is Haitian coconut milk, okay? This is altiboni, okay? So we're going to use some Haitian coconut milk. And then I have some salt. We're going to use a pinch of salt. I have 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of white sugar. So a cup of sugar in total. And I'm using dark brown sugar. I have 2 bananas mashed up. Okay. I have 2 tablespoons of shortening. I have 1 can of evaporated milk, so a 1.5 cups. And I have my spices. I have ginger. I'm going to use the peel of a lime. Look at this. Look at this artwork, guys. 3 cinnamon sticks and some star anise. So all of these you can find in a regular supermarket. And here I have 2 cups of water in my pot. But first and foremost, we have to start with peeling our potatoes. I'm gonna move this to the side. I'm gonna start with peeling our potatoes and grating it, okay? So I'm just going to peel my potato. So here I have my grater. I like to use this side because I like the texture. Guys, if you guys don't have the time, I find it better. It comes out better when you do it by hand. Comes out better when you do it by hand. But if you guys wanna do it the easy way, you could just put it in a blender with some coconut milk and do it the easy way. But I like to grate it. It's going to take a while, but it's gonna be good. Alright guys, this is my grated patate. I ended up using the smaller side. I use both sides. Just a disclaimer, if you peel all your potatoes at once and you're grating it, they do brown quickly. So the ones that you're not peeling at the moment, put in a bowl of water and some lime juice so it doesn't discolor fast. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge for now. Now I'm gonna show you guys what I do with the spices. So here I have 2 cups of water. I'm gonna turn my fire on high. I'm going to add my lime peel, my cinnamon sticks, the star anise, and the ginger. I want to smash it first. Alright guys, I'm going to use a regular old sauce pot to smash it, okay? Make sure you get all those ginger juices. And then I'm gonna add that to my pot. Add that in there. And once it boils and you get like a nice brown color, you're gonna fish everything out. So I'm just adding that in there, letting it boil. And last but not least, for now, I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Okay guys, this has boiled. It has like a tannish brownish color. So I'm going to start fishing out, starting with the star anise. I'm gonna bring my fire on low. Guys, if you don't want to go through like the extra of using all the spices, you don't have to. You can use zest of lime, you could use cinnamon powder, you could use ginger powder. Okay guys, I fished out everything except the cinnamon sticks because I like that strong cinnamon flavor. It's not really gonna be that strong, but I'll fish that out like before I put it in the oven. So I'm putting in my shredded potato now, my grated potato. Make sure we get all of that in there because we didn't do that hard work for no reason, right? So I'll get everything in there. And then I'm just gonna mix that in. Guys, I forgot to mention I used about 3 pounds of the potato, the sweet potato. So now I'm just stirring it, and I'm going to add my evaporated milk. So this is about 1.5 cups of evaporated milk. And I'm just gonna stir that in. And then I'm gonna let it cook for about 20 minutes for now. And then I'll check on it, and then it's gonna have to cook for about another 30 to 40 minutes over the stove. So I'm gonna cook it for about 20 to 30 minutes now. Alright guys, this has been cooking for about 30 minutes. And make sure you guys stir it occasionally. So now we're gonna cook it for another 30 to 40 minutes with the lid off. And you want a brown color. Like this right here is way too light. You want a brown color. I'm going to add my mashed bananas. Stir that in. And I'm going to add my shortening. So, okay, I'm going going to let this cook 30 minutes uncovered, and I'm gonna stir it occasionally, maybe like every 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll see you when that's done. Alright guys, so that has been cooking for about 30 minutes. I've been stirring it occasionally, so I'm going to add my sugar and mix that in. Okay guys, now I'm going to let this cook for another 20 minutes before I put it in my pan and put it in the oven. But first I have to add the raisins, vanilla extract, and cherries. Okay guys, now this is finished. This is the color I'm looking for. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla, stir that in. Oh, and also turn your heat off. And I'm going to add my rum soaked raisins. And this, oh my gosh, it's gonna make it so yummy. Ooh, ooh. Smell it already. Stir that a little bit. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to wait to put this in the oven. Like, I just want to eat it like this. Just kidding. But not really. So here I have a greased pan. So I'm just going to pour this in here. Now I'm going to add my cherries. Just put them in like that. Now I'm going to put this in the oven for 2 hours. Because it takes so long, I'm going to have to continue this video tomorrow because it has to chill in the refrigerator overnight. So after I put this in the oven, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, this is the finished product. It's the next day. I just have it with some coconut ice cream and garnished it with some mint. But this is so yummy, guys. You have no idea. And this is how it comes out looking. The raisins nice and plump. And it smells really good. I could still smell the spices. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Please let me know down in the comments below what to make next. And like, comment, and subscribe so I can make more stuff and so you can see me more, because this is Cooking with Mimi and this is a different style of cooking. So join the club, join Cooking with Mimi, subscribe. Peace.